Welcome to part 14 of our Bootstrap in Web Forms series. Today, we will build a complete responsive web form page from scratch, including a header, form, grid, modal pop-up, and footer, and styled with Bootstrap. We will create a responsive page featuring a Bootstrap navbar header, a data entry form, a styled grid view for data display, a modal pop-up for extra information, and a footer that adapts to screen sizes. First, ensure Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript along with jQuery are included in your web forms project to enable Bootstrap styling and components. Here is the header navbar with the brand name and navigation links. It is fully responsive, collapsing into a toggle menu on small screens. The data entry form uses Bootstrap's spacing and form control classes. The ASP.NET text boxes and button get Bootstrap styles via the CSS class property for a consistent look. The grid view shows submitted data with the Bootstrap's table, table bordered, and table striped classes for a clean professional appearance. The modal pop-up will show extra user details. It uses Bootstrap's modal classes and is triggered programmatically in code behind or client script. The footer uses Bootstrap's background text, padding, and margin utilities for a neat and responsive look. In the code behind, we collect form data into a list stored in view state, bind it to the grid view, and clear the form after submission for a smooth user experience. Now, let us walk through the live demo showing all parts working together responsively, demonstrating Bootstrap's power in ASP.NET Web Forms. To summarize, we have built a fully responsive Bootstrap-based ASP.NET Web Forms page featuring a header, form, data grid, modal pop-up, and footer with a clean styling and responsive layout. Download the source code from the video description. Explore Bootstrap's official documentation for more, and stay tuned for part 15 where we cover advanced Bootstrap components in web forms. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment with your questions, and subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.